What is the importance of khutbah? Again, here also I want to give you a hadith. And Imam Tirmidhi and Imam Nasai, rahimahumullah, they have reported it from Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu. إِذَا قُلْتَ لِصَاحِبِكَ يَوْمَ الْجُمُعَةِ وَالْإِمَامُ يَخْطُبُ أَنْصِتْ فَقَدْ لَغَوْتَ. If on the day of Jummah, the Imam, the leader, he is delivering his sermon, and you say to your brother or friend, keep quiet, you have also done a wrong work. You must keep quiet absolutely. The Sahaba used only to have some, to remind somebody if he was talking, but not speaking themselves. To throw some pebble, so that there should be no voice. All the people should have focused their full attention towards the sermon, towards the khutbah. And as I told you, actually this is the khutbah which has given this Jummah prayer its all importance. Otherwise we have 4 rak'ah in Salatul Zuhr. In place of the 2 rakat of Salatul Zuhr, these 2 khutbahs have been added. And what is actually the wisdom behind that I have already told.